Hey guys, and now I'm going to unbox my stuff, the Rubik's Cube and the wooden dominoes today because I had them for a month and I haven't unboxed it yet because I want to do an unboxing. So yeah, and I'm recording on my phone because I will not record on my tablet anymore. If you guys read my community post, so yeah, um. Because the phone has a better quality than the tablet does, so yeah. Except I'll still screen record, so yeah. Anyways, um, so you guys, yeah, I'm going to unbox them right now. Sorry about that. Wait a minute. Here's the Rubik's Cube, and I'm going to unbox it right now. So enjoy. I'm gonna unbox it. Oh, there we go. There it goes. It's brand new seal, and now I got it out. This is the shrink wrap. Oh, and there's the barcode, which you don't need that anymore. Now here it is. It looks nice. Let's wait. Oh, they're just stickers. There. Oh, let's try it. So it does work. Oh, you can twist it around. It's not incorrect. Oh, let me. Oh, there. So it does work, but I'm having trouble to. Oh, I need to. I know I'm mixing up colors. Well, I will. I'll try that later. So this is my unboxing of the Rubik's Cube. I might have to try that later. So now I got the. Now I'm gonna unbox the grand wooden dominoes so that. And I already cut it. I used. Well, I used a nice. Very carefully so that I can open it up. And yeah, I got it. So, then I get the tape out. Sorry I'm doing like this. So, I do not like tape. It is sticky. There. So that it can be easy. And there is some. No, it's actually just tape. It's not taped. It's taped. Fortunately, kind of gets there. Now, oh look. Want to see what's inside? Let me do it. Oh, those are the dominoes. Okay. So yeah, that's everything on the top. Oh look, that's a lot of dominoes. That's a lot of them. The box smells nice. Oh, it has the paper for something. So maybe I'll test it out. So There's nothing inside the box. You just get the dominoes and this little paper, white paper, saying wooden dominoes and those instructions. If you want to read it, go ahead and pause the video. I'm not going to read anything about this. So if you want... oh, sorry. Oh, you know what? I'm just going to put it away. I mean, not put it away. Put it like this so that you can get a very better look at the reading right here. And now you know. Oh, yeah. This is their avenue. Oh, wait. I think it's from a company. What company did make this one? Oh, distributed by Hollandings Inc. in the avenue called Market Street Avenue in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. That is odd. You can see the address where the company is. That is just strange. That's like in other stuffs. But you know what? I'm gonna test the domino and see if it works. I accidentally stopped the video and meant to pause it, but oh well. Here's the dominoes and time to test it out. So here we go in 3, 2, 1. Wow, it did work. Sorry if you didn't see that well, but yeah. So yeah, this is the perfect way to do this resource. So yeah. So I have the Rubik's Cube and this one, the wooden dominoes. So now we get to have these two. And after that, I'll clean everything up and put the dominoes back where they were. And these were wood. I think I would clean up and wrap up the video in any minute. So I'm sorry, I can't even close the box because so I think I'm just gonna keep it like this. So yeah, so that's my unboxing of the Rubik's Cube and the grand wooden dominoes. And and it's actually perfect for me. And this one too. So yeah. Anyway guys, this is me and signing off. Peace. Bye.